Traffic stops can be stressful to the motoring public and police officers alike. Contrary to popular belief, there is no such thing as a routine traffic stop. Traffic stops can potentially pose one of the most dangerous scenarios for police officers. The vast majority of officers across the country simply want to conduct a traffic stop and send people safely on their way. They are merely doing the job they are trained to do and are expected to treat each person fairly and respectfully. Knowing what to do when you are pulled over can make the situation less stressful and provide a safe and respectful environment for all parties involved. What you are about to watch is a reenactment of a traffic stop with a state trooper. The purpose of this video is to give the motoring public a look into both sides of a traffic stop encounter with the police. The goal is to ensure a safe experience for both the public and the police, and to establish a mutual respect during your encounter. If an officer signals you to stop, remain calm and slowly pull your vehicle to a safe location. If you are uncomfortable or feel unsafe with a stop location, turn on your hazard lights and proceed cautiously to a well-lit or public area. Once you bring your vehicle to a stop, it is recommended to roll down your window and turn off your stereo. Listen to the officer and remain in your vehicle unless directed otherwise.
Driver, step out of your vehicle and walk back to my location, please.
In this situation, the trooper has asked the driver to exit the vehicle. It is important to note that police departments conduct traffic stops differently. Keep in mind that some officers approach the vehicles, while others ask the driver to exit the vehicle. In the event that you are asked to stay in the vehicle, keep your hands visible during the course of the stop. This is for your safety as well as the safety of the officer.
Good morning, sir. I'm Lieutenant Williams with Louisiana State Police. I stopped you because you were speeding. You're traveling 70 miles per hour in a 55 miles per hour zone. Any reason why you're traveling above the posted speed limit?
If you are unclear as to the reason for the traffic stop, you may ask the officer to clarify. However, the side of the road is never the proper place to argue innocence or guilt.
Sir, I need to see your driver's license, your registration, and proof of insurance.
Be prepared to present your driver's license, vehicle registration, and proof of insurance to the officer when asked to do so. Having this information readily accessible can help make the traffic stop go much faster. One example of this is having that information secured to your visor.
Okay. Do me a favor, wait right here. I'll be right back with you, okay?
During this portion of the traffic stop, it is important that a mutual respect is maintained. Some easy ways to accomplish this is to remember to keep your hands out of pockets, keep from talking on your phone, and not giving the officer your full attention, walking around and walking back to the vehicle when not asked to. While an officer is enforcing the law, he always has his safety in mind, and avoiding these small things can help ease the stress of this encounter for you and the officer. Sometimes it is necessary for an officer to return to his patrol vehicle. If this occurs, there is nothing to worry about, and it is recommended to keep the same safety suggestions in mind while standing outside of your vehicle.
Okay, so you're going to receive a citation for speeding. Your court date, phone number, and time will all be at the bottom of the citation, okay, for any questions that you may have. Your signature is required, but it's not admission of guilt. You sign right here, please. Okay, sir. Thank you for your good attitude. Please be careful merging back into traffic.
When the traffic stop is completed, the officer will explain that you are free to go. Check your mirrors and return safely to the roadway. If you are stopped on an interstate system, please note that you may use the shoulder of the roadway to gain some speed to safely merge into traffic. Let's review some important steps to follow once your vehicle is safely on the shoulder. Turn off your radio, roll down your window, follow the officer's instructions. Officers conduct traffic stops in an attempt to keep Louisiana's highways safe. Their number one priority is safety, both yours and theirs. Remember the golden rule: treat others the way you would like to be treated. By simply doing this, each and every traffic stop can be a safe and respectful encounter for all involved.